Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. This is a new easy perm rod tutorial plus a get to know me with one of my favorite product lines, Fantasia IC. So if you want to see how I get these soft, voluminous, bouncy curls, girl, keep watching. Okay, so we are starting out on freshly washed hair, and we are using the Jamaican black castor oil gel and the curly coily leave-in. I believe I'm saying that correctly, but if I'm not, I will drop the names and everything down below. You know how I do. So anyway, I also used their co-wash from the curly coily line. So anyway, freshly washed hair. We're going to start out with medium-sized sections, and I'm applying the leave-in. And I'm going to detangle. You know how I do. Detangle, detangle, detangle. That's the key to any out style. Definitely with a perm rod set, you want to make sure it's good and detangled, which is why I'm going to come back in with this rat tail comb. And then I'm going to follow up with the Jamaican black castor oil gel. We're going to twist a little bit less than halfway down, and then we're gonna slap that perm rod on there and, you know, just go about our business. So I call this a perm rod set. It looks like a twist and curl, but I don't twist all the way down to the end, so it's just an easier way for me to do a perm rod set. So I'm just gonna repeat. We're gonna apply the leave-in and then follow with the gel. I do like both of these products. I did have a little bit of flaking when I took my hair down, but it wasn't like super crazy or like super noticeable. But I mean, I did want to point that out. Like I did when I looked down, it was like a nice little flaky show going on my clothes. But I mean, I didn't really see anything too noticeable in my hair. So this combo does work. So yeah, I'm just, you know, detangling. I'm gonna twist. And then I'm gonna add a perm rod to the end. Make sure you wanna smooth it. You know, pay attention to how I put the perm rod on. So I start at the bottom to make sure that my ends are really smooth, and then I do like the twirly motion up to the top. I don't really know how to describe it, but you saw it, you see it. So anyway, as far as the way I feel about the products, I definitely liked the leave-in and I like the gel. But one critique that I do have is that my set style did not last as long as you would want a set style to last when you put in all this work. So I think I took it down. This was a Friday morning that I'm filming here, and it lasted me till about Monday afternoon-ish. It was looking a little run down. So I did like my results, but I just wish they would have lasted longer. So this is not to say that these products aren't good, maybe just not great for the style that I use. So that could be an error just in, you know, in consumer usage, I guess. So, but I did want to point that out. So I'm just going to, I think this is the last section. So again, I'm going to show you, I've already detangled it. I'm going to twist it, add that perm rod to the end, and you know, I'm gonna go to bed. So 2 nights passed. Yeah, I know how long it takes my hair to dry. So I put the rollers in on Wednesday morning and I took them out on Friday morning. So let's get into it. We're about to take it down. Hey. All right, movie magic. Face is beat. Yes, I know, face beat. But anyway. We're gonna apply some oil to my hands, and this is just to help me. Look at that bounce though. Can we talk about the bounce in the body? Like, let's just get into it. Clearly I'm happy about it because the little dance / praise that I'm doing it was very real. Like, I did like my results. So, you know, don't take that to mean that I didn't like my results. They just didn't last as long as I wish they would have. So anyway, bounce, body, all that good stuff. I'm taking the rollers down, and then I'm just going to, you know, separate as per usual. Nothing really out of the ordinary here. Yes, clearly I'm excited. Very, very excited. Y'all know I'm silly now. Don't act like you don't know. And if you're new, then welcome. First of all, welcome to the show. But I'm just taking each twist down, and as you can see, like the curls are really nice, which is why even though it kind of looks like I'm doing a twist and curl, I call this a perm rod set. It's just an easier way to do one. It keeps the roots from being like super puffy because you start with the twist, and then you add your perm rod, and then you have your perm rod set. So yeah, I feel like that's pretty much it. I'm separating, and be careful when you're separating. You don't want to create too much frizz, but this is when I kind of saw a couple of flakes here and there, but I didn't really see anything like in my hair. It was really just on my clothes when I was taking the hair down. So almost done, and yeah, just overall I really did like the products, but I did want to give y'all like the real how I felt about it. So I do like them, but maybe not the best combo for an out style. So if you get a chance, try these products and let your girl know what you think. Clearly I like it, like, so go get it. And stay tuned, we're about to have a little like get to know me, so keep watching. If you've lasted this long, keep watching. We're gonna have a little get to know me after the credits roll, and then like if you saw the Black Panther movie, not to leave the theater just yet, because you're gonna learn a little bit extra. So just keep watching. But I'm gonna go ahead and say bye now. Mwah. Hair. Gosh, hair has been a part of my life forever, and my love for hair and hair care was developed and cultivated at a very young age, and I give all of the credit to my mom. She took such good care of my hair when I was younger. I was always known as Alicia with the long hair. I've always had long hair. I've always had very thick, healthy hair, and it's pretty much all because of her. And one of the brands that has been a staple in our household since I can remember is Fantasia IC. Now, it's been years since she's done my hair because my mother passed away when I was about 9. But I just always remember the IC, the logo. I just always remember it like in our house, like in the bathroom, or just on the counter when she's about to straighten my hair. So it's always been a part of my life, and I'm just glad that it has been recently reintroduced to me because it just brought back so many memories. And I just want to thank Fantasia IC for being a big part of my childhood and one of the reasons why I am Alicia No Keys. So yeah.